Okay, Friday, September 30th. You can see here the SPY contract has moved up on the 15-minute chart to yesterday's close. I decided to scale out of some of the position. I was going to try it at 880, but I just took it at 860. So I bought at 782, scaled out of some at 860 as it moves up. I just don't know if it's going to pause here or not. I mean, as long as we kind of hold, the this blue line, I'm fine that we're going to head up, but it's just kind of a tricky trade in terms of on the daily chart, we're still inside a little bit. So it's not like you have a two up day from yesterday above the high of the pre-market range with a lot of momentum to the upside. If anything, you're playing the bottom of a range and seeing how much you could eat away into that range on the upside. So that's what's a little tricky about this trade, even though we clearly opened here. I'm not going to get comfortable with any short trades unless we break down and kind of take out this pre-market low, which is also aligns with the midpoint of the first bar. If I can see something really breaking down by the, heading down here, that's going to look like it's going to test that intraday, that first bar low, I'll give it a shot. But the longer we go on, the more it seems like, we're not going to, in other words, if these bars keep kind of pausing, then we get further and further away time-wise from the open, in order for that to be the high of the day up here and then break lower. So we'll just see what has to happen there. So it's a no-risk trade to see if we continue higher. It's just a tricky environment. But, it is a possibility since we're at the bottom of the range and we're not getting the sell-off. Maybe anyone who's short here will begin to start covering all the way up to the top. So let's see what happens here. But it's no risk at this point, and it's, just one of the it's just something to see, given opening price action that did start up, how much we could eat away into the, towards the top of the ranges. And we'll watch the 15-minute price structure to kind of gauge how this day unfolds.